Today, we're diving into Sub Solution, a highly renowned synthetic urine brand. We'll go over its pros, its cons, and how to use it right. Let's begin by unboxing. Before we jump in, make sure to hit subscribe, leave a like, and ring the bell to stay updated. Inside, we find a urine bottle, powdered urine, heating powder, a cap with flip-up spout, and a set of instructions. Starting with the bottle, its compact, flat design is meant for easy concealment, say in your underpants. Though for me personally, I find it uncomfortable, preferring a special leg belt instead. Remember, you can't just tuck it in your pocket. Pockets are emptied before drug tests. The bottle also comes with a temperature strip, crucial for ensuring your sample is at the right temperature before submission. If it's too cold, you'll be asked to provide another sample under direct observation. In simple terms, direct observation implies that someone will be there, keeping an eye on you while you, fill up that cup. Definitely not an experience you'd be eager to have. The bottle cap features a flip-up spout, making it easy to pour the urine into a sample cup. Moving on to the powdered urine vial. You'll need clean water to mix it. Tap water won't do. We're going to use bottled water. Once you've mixed the urine, the bottle will be full. Typically, a drug test needs at least 1 ounce of urine. This 3-ounce bottle has enough for up to 3 uses. You've got 8 hours to use the urine once mixed. Otherwise, it can be refrigerated for up to 2 days or frozen for as long as 6 months. Next up, we have heat activator powder. It's meant to raise the temperature of the urine within 10 seconds. We'll put that to the test. And lastly, the instructions. Simple and easy to follow. They've even included a phone number right here. So if you're ever stuck or have any queries, they're just a phone call away. It's a nice touch, showcasing their commitment to customer service. Let's move on to a step-by-step usage guide. First, mix the urine. Do this at home, pre-test using room temperature water. Gently shake the bottle to dissolve the powder. Notice how it resembles real urine. Even down to the smell. As you can see, this cap is secure and there's no leakage. Plus, the flip-up spout is a bit on the sturdier side to open. So you don't have to worry about any accidental spills in your pocket or wherever you decide to stash it. Now we have a full bottle of fake urine. Use within 8 hours or refrigerate for up to 2 days. It can even be frozen for up to 6 months. You have enough here for up to 3 test samples. Before entering the testing facility, add the heat activator powder. First, shake the vial. The powder may have clumped together. Keep in mind, the cooler your solution, the more powder you'll need. Your sample should be submitted at a temperature between 90 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Since the heat activator powder is added beforehand, the sample will cool down slightly. So it's best to aim for a temperature of about 100 to 102 degrees Fahrenheit, giving it some leeway to cool down to the acceptable range. Start by adding about 1/3 of the powder to the urine. Unscrew the cap of the urine bottle. Add the heat activator powder. After adding the powder, gently shake the bottle. Wait for about 5 to 10 seconds and check the temperature. Perfect. It took roughly 5 seconds to warm. Now hide the bottle close to your body. This will slow down the temperature drop. You can place it in your underpants, but I find a leg belt more comfortable. Ensure the temperature strip is away from your body to avoid false readings. Once in the drug test bathroom, flip the spout, pour the urine into the cup, and then conceal the bottle. Hand the cup to the test collector. Simple as that. So there you have it, the Sub Solution Synthetic Urine Kit. It's simple and easy to use for passing drug tests. The only small hiccup I see is the lack of a stash leg belt in the kit. But that's just my personal preference, because to be honest, I don't feel comfortable walking with the bottle in my underpants. To get your hands on this product, click on the link in the description.